name is Chao. I'm from Marshall College. I'm a third year student and my major is aerospace engineer.
Okay, when and why did you decide to join Gatnoy?
I decided to join Gatnoy because I wanted to embrace my culture more, and I see the poster around CSD and I wanted to join ever since my second year, but I didn't really have a chance to join to Newport.
Okay, and what is your position this year?
My position this year is a co-chair with Naylene.
Okay, what event are you most excited for becoming involved with this year?
This year, I can't wait until we start planning and actually doing the benefit concert.
Okay, is there any hobbies or what do you like to do in your spare time?
In my spare time, I try to watch news to get more updates about lives around me.
Okay, is there any goals you'd like to set for yourself this year? Academic or Gatnoy related?
For Gatnoy, I wanted to contribute more to the club, to writing more and get more new members. And academically, I just want to stay on track with my 4-year plan.
Okay, thank you for speaking with us today. And